It looks like this model is really expensive and you don't find it anywhere. So we are going to do a custom powerful or angry Gordon. Now we have here the face. So what we need is you need to buy it from eBay, link in the description, and your original Gordon. And we need black paint. Now I cut this. This is what I use for details. You know, the paintbrush. I cut the sides and left just a little bit. You know, this the little tip, little brush. And in my case, I'm going to use some hot glue. You can use either super glue. Another thing I'm going to use is blade, very sharp. Do not try this at home, dangerous. Now needs to be done under adult supervision. We also have this clamp, or you can use only your bare hands. But like I say, it's dangerous. So we are going to cut the face of Gordon. Now with this little clamp, I'm going to push the blade. See how it goes. It's working, perfect. So we had to adjust the clamp because it was right in the funnel. I'm just gonna slide it a little bit off. We continue and voila, look at that. Now the next part, you need to flatten or smooth the this part right here. Be very careful, don't hurt yourself. All right, now we just finished cutting that and flatten that part. See how it looks. The face is the same size as the original one. Let me put it here side to side. See right there, same size there. There it is. Now I am not going to use super glue. You may use super glue. I'm going to use just the regular hot glue. Now the next part, if you want to paint the face this near to this color, it's a dolphin gray. That's the color, the closest color for the face. Look at that. So you can mix it also with a little bit of white. Okay, next I'm just going to show you part of the process. I'm not going to paint the face, so you figure out how to paint it. I recommend you use airbrush, but paintbrush will be okay. Just light paint over this. Now we're going to I was about to say super glue, but I'm going to use the hot glue gun. Okay, as I said before, we are going to use hot glue just for demo purposes. I recommend you to use super glue, but in this case I'm just going to show you with hot glue also works. All right, we put the face on Gordon. I want to shake the paint black. In this case, for the pupils, I'm going to use this drill bit. I'm going to dip it in. I'm going to show you the process. It needs to be a small bit, not so big, just for the pupil size. There's one little drop. Now I used to do it's two. Let me see. I need to wipe the excess. You got to do twice. So there's one coat. Need to do very careful. I think the left is the good size. I'm gonna try to. Oh, shaky hands. Adjust the right. Now another. Oh. There you go. It's looking good. Now the next step, our previously cut paintbrush. I'm going to follow this wrinkle So it actually needs to be right here, but I have seen others go in here. See that one right there? See, it's not easy when you are recording. The camera is between the model and the my eyes eye line, eye view. It's really hard, but I'm trying. So we get this eyelash, eyebrows. I mean, it's okay if you make a mistake. You can actually wipe it off and try it again. I'm trying to do this all and show all the process. Yeah, that's looking angry. See, I'm not perfect neither, so don't make assume that I am perfect. We all make mistakes. Gordon is looking powerful, angry. Let me see. Just a little bit this way. There you go. Is it too long? I don't know, maybe. Okay. Well, it's better than $250, Gordon. I think it's almost done. So I did not like the eyebrow. It looked a little bit low, and I just wipe it off before it dries. So I need to follow the line a little bit higher. Let me see if I can fix. Yes. Yeah, that looks a little bit better than before. So the eyebrows do look a little bit equal, like so. Now, I don't know if I should paint the lips black, but I think that Batman does has black lining. I don't know if that's a custom, but I guess I'm going to paint the lips. I think in the Railway series, it's just a shadow of the lining. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the lips and see how it looks. The lip lines. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it. See, it's not easy. Like I say, when you have the phone or the camera in front of you, between your model. Now that's how it looks without the dolphin gray paint. So in conclusion, I think if you paint just the eyebrows, the lips, and the pupils as it comes, it's better just painted with dolphin gray. The face looks much better. So that's an easy custom. Took me like 8-9 minutes to paint over. I use a. Now here's the thing. The results you see, it's because I painted with paintbrush. I recommend you to use airbrush to paint all the face on Gordon. You need to do like a 2 or 3 coats, and it will look smooth finish like this one here. So you need to use airbrush, but I use this as a sample. I know a lot of people don't have access to airbrush, but anyways, that's how powerful Gordon looks. This is a custom powerful Gordon compared to one that cost over $100-$200. You can make your own custom with your own Gordon.